warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from Group 7. My name is Silviana Novia Kusumai Dewi, NIM V41201005.
Hello, my name is Siti Rahma.
Hello, my name is Tesalonika Betari Anindya.
My name is Tianita Putri Nuraini.
Halo, my name is Pulia Putri Berindra.
The ingredients are 2 tablespoons of oatmeal, half teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, 1 fresh tomato, and 2 slices of cucumber.
First, prepare all ingredients. Second, wash all ingredients. Third, grate or blend tomato to get puree.
After that, pour tomato puree into a bowl. Combine tomato puree with 2 tablespoons of oatmeal, and a half teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Stir all ingredients thoroughly using spatula.
After that, let's apply the organic mix with the mix brush. Put the slice of cucumber on your eyes. Let's stand for 20 minutes. Then, wash your face.